A complete renovation has taken place and transformed this desirable sun-filled ranch, boasting hardwood floors and vaulted ceilings. Located on a 0.33-acre lot with views of Mount Warner, this pastoral location is only minutes to Umass, major routes and shopping. Offering a one-level living experience, the floor plan is the perfect alternative to condo living. A suite mudroom with/half bath and laundry, sports built-in seating, and leads to the custom-built kitchen with quartz counters and stainless appliances. A spacious dining room which overlooks the backyard has a slider to a generous deck and fenced-in backyard. The living room with handsome wood-burning fireplace and large bow window is open and airy, a great place to entertain. There are 2 bedrooms, the master having a vaulted shiplath detailed ceiling and connecting full bath. Amenities are many and include an oversized 1-car garage.